I am Long Tao, owner of Ultimate Precision Tech. I am very proud of my team. We are very dedicated, high teamwork, and most of team members over 10 years experience. We are very proud of our quality control and customer service.
Here at Ultimate Precision Tech, we have utilized the 5 S's in lean manufacturing so that we will meet or exceed our customers' expectations and standards.
On our milling department, we have this Takumi 36 by 86 bed capability with 4 axis, and we also do complex 3D milling.
In our lathe department, we're able to cut diameters up to 27 inches, as well as turn parts that are 160 inches long. And here at UPT, no matter the difficulty of the job, we always meet our customers' deadline.